Hello students, in this video we will be discussing about association rule mining of module 4. What is this association rule mining? Association rule mining is a unsupervised learning technique used in business to help identify shopping patterns. 80% of the customer who buy milk and cheese will buy bread. So if the pattern is known to the grocery shop owner, he can keep all the 3 items in his shop so that his sales can be increased. Right. So that this identifying such kind of patterns is the role of this association rule mining. It is used to identify the association or relationship between item set so that patterns can be used in business to improve their business. And it is also known as market-based analysis. It helps find interesting relationship between variables. Thus, it can help cross-sell related items and increase the size of a sale. How to represent association rules? Association rules are represented by X tends to Y, and this S refers to support and C refers to confidence. Let us see what is this S and C. And I said association rules are represented by X tends to Y, and X is the item set present in the LHS and Y are the item set present in the RHS. And coming to support, how often this X and Y go together in a data set is the support. How often this X and Y go together in a data set is known as support. That is X union Y is your support. And what is this confidence? How often Y is found given X? How often Y is found given X? That is probability of Y by X. See this example. Suppose there are 1000 transactions in a data set. There are 300 occurrences of X and 150 occurrences of Y in the data set. What is the value of support and confidence? What is support and confidence? What is my association rule? First, X tends to Y. Right. So, what is support? Altogether X and Y, union of X and Y. So it is and 150 occurrences of X and Y in the data set. Right. So when this X and Y goes together for how many occurrences? 150 occurrences of 1000 occurrence. This X and Y go together. That is percentage is 150 by 1000, that is 15%. Now what is confidence? How often Y is found when X is present? Right, how often Y is found when X is present? So here in this, what about Y occurrence? Right, you could see here X and Y together, it is 150 occurrence. So from here you can take the Y occurrence. Y occurrence is nothing but 150. Right. Now, how to calculate the confidence? How often Y occurs given X? When X is present, how often Y is there? But among this 1000 transactions, how many occurrences X is present? X is present for 300 occurrences. Out of these 300 occurrences, only 150 occurrences, both X and Y go together. So how to calculate the confidence? It is 150 by 300. 150 by 300, that is 50%. This is how you are supposed to calculate your support and confidence. Algorithms for association rules. In association rule mining, the goal is to find all the rules that satisfy the user specified minimum support and minimum confidence. And the most popular algorithms are a priori, eclat, FP growth and so on. And in our syllabus, we will be learning about a priori algorithm. And this is the most popular algorithm used for association rule mining. The objective of this a priori algorithm is to find the frequent item sets. And we can discuss an example. Given a list of 12 transaction list, you can see 12 transaction list it is given, right? You have to find the frequent item set, right? Item set is combination of one or two items together. You have to find the frequent item set, provided it should satisfy the minimum support level, user specified support level also. So out of this, you just go through this transaction list, you could find many items: milk, egg, bread, butter, ketchup, cookies. 6 different items are there. So first what are we going to do is like, as the first step, I am going to write one item set, that is how often does any product individually sell. How often this product sell individually, right? We had 6 items in our transaction list, and go to the transaction list, count every items. Milk individually, how many times it got sold, right? You have to calculate and you have to write, and that is milk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Similarly, you have to write for other items also. Now, as I said, it should satisfy the user specified minimum support level. I have specified the support level as 33%. Right? So, we'll keep only the items that reach this 33%. Rest everything I'll discard. So here, when you calculate this 9 support percentage, how to calculate 9? Totally there are 12 transactions, so it should be 9 divided by 12. Similarly, these two 10 divided by 12. Only this 3 divided by 12, you will get 25%. So these two won't satisfy the minimum support level. So you have to discard both these. So you will get only 9, 10, 10, 5. Right? 9, 10, 10, 5. Now using these 4 items, I am going to write a table of 2 item set. Right? How frequent 2 item set sale sold together. Right? So how to write this? I'll get different combinations like milk bread, milk butter, milk cookies, bread butter, bread cookies, butter cookies. Right. So these are the combinations: milk bread, milk butter, milk cookies, bread butter, bread cookies, and butter cookies. Right. So how to write these frequency? Go to the transaction. Right, we'll write for milk bread 1. Next, milk bread 2, 3, milk bread 4, milk bread 5, milk bread 6, and milk bread 7. That's how I got 7 here. Similarly, you have to count the frequency for these 2 combinations and next 2 combinations, and you have to fill this table. Now again, you have to check these frequencies should satisfy the minimum support of 33%. So again, this 3, it won't support this 33% because 3 divided by 12, what is that 12? Number of transactions in the initial transaction list. So 3 divided by 12, it won't give you 25. So you are supposed to discard these 2. So you will get 7794. 7794. Now using this item set, you are supposed to make 3 item set table. You are supposed to make 3 item set table. So it is milk bread butter, bread butter cookies, and bread butter What are the combinations you will get? Milk, bread, butter, milk, bread, cookies, milk, butter, cookies. So these are the combinations you will get. Yeah, milk, bread, butter, milk, bread, cookies, bread, butter, cookies. Now you have to go to the transaction list. You have to check the frequency of these three items together. Milk, bread, butter, cookies will check. Milk, bread, butter, milk, bread, butter, 1. Next, yeah, milk, bread, butter, 2. Milk, bread, butter, 3. Milk, bread, butter, 4. Milk, bread, butter, 5. Milk, bread, butter, 6. Yeah, that's it. That's how you got the 6. Similarly, you have to find the frequency of these three items together in your transaction list, and for these three items together in your transaction list. And definitely you are supposed to discard these two as it doesn't satisfy the minimum support of 33%. So you will get only this one. Right, milk, bread, butter frequency is 6. So now you can't make 4 item set because you are having only 3 items, right? So I can't make 4 item set. So there is no room to create 4 item set. So I'll stop it. Right, now I am supposed to make the association rule. Right, so with a frequent item set only I can make the association rule. Right, so here while making the association rule, you know the format X tends to Y. Some items should be in the LHS and some items should be in the RHS. Right, now I am going to take like bread and butter in LHS and RHS milk. Right, so all together this 3, 6. Now what is the support? Do you remember what is support? All 3 items together. Right, so all items together is known as support. So now I have 3 items. All these 3 items, what is the frequency? 6. Now how to calculate the support confidence? 6 divided by 12, that is 50%, that is your support. Right, now for confidence you are supposed to make the association rule. So while making the association rule, I am going to keep this bread and butter as X, that is in my LHS, and Y in RHS. So Y contain only one item set, that is my milk. Right, now how do you get this 9 and 6? How do you get this 9 and 6? X, Y together it is 6, fine. But how do you get this 9? So bread and butter together. So you have to go to 2 item set and you have to check what is the frequency of bread and butter. Go to 2 item set and check what is the frequency of bread and butter. Bread and butter, it is 9. That's how you got 9 here. Right. Now how to write the support? Support, as I told, together is your support. So 6 divided by 12, 50% is your support. And what is confidence? What is confidence? This 6, right? Y divided by X, right? Y divided by X. How many times this Y occurs? Right, 6 times. So 6 divided by X. What is X? According to our rule, bread and butter, it is in my LHS, that is my X. And what is the X value? 9. So 6 divided by 9, 67%. Right, that is my confidence. Right, always remember confidence is Y by X. So Y is 6. What is X? 9. 6 by 9. 67%. But I have kept some user defined support and confidence percentage, both 33 and 50. Right, so we have learned in association rules. Right, the goal is to find all the rules that satisfy the user specified minimum support and minimum confidence. Right, so minimum support and minimum confidence will be specified by the user. So here I have taken as support as 50% and confidence as, support as 33% and confidence is 50%. So both are satisfied. Support I got 50 but my minimum value is 33, satisfied. Confidence I got 67 but my minimum value is 50, I got it, so it is satisfied. So what do I conclude? The rule which I have formed, like bread butter tends to milk, is a valid rule. Similarly, I have to make all the valid association rules. Not only this rule, all the valid association rules. Next, what you can try, you can keep milk and bread in X and butter in Y, and you can check whether it is satisfying the minimum support and confidence. If it is satisfying this 33% and 50%, it is a valid association rule. It is a valid association rule. Likewise, you can write all the valid association rules. Thank you.